Hey friends, today I'm going to walk you through 5 trends that will transform your kitchen from boring and tired to fun and vibrant. I'll show you how to make your kitchen feel cozy for you and your family, but also how to make it more functional so you spend less time cooking. Which brings me to the first kitchen trend. Switching from gas stovetop and electric coils to an induction stovetop can save you time, energy and money. Induction stoves are faster and more powerful. As the surface itself doesn't get hot, you can literally wrap towels around a pot while you're deep frying. It takes literally seconds to boil water, and the only thing that gets hot is the pot, not the stovetop itself. Fair warning, these stovetops can take a little getting used to. I grew up cooking on gas ranges, especially when I'm making my chai. But once I got over the learning curve with the induction stove, I get everything done faster, and I feel better about being part of the green future. If you're in a budget, try renting or buying a standalone induction burner to try it out. This way you can make sure that you actually like induction before committing to a full stovetop. And when you do make the leap, these stovetops are simple enough that you might be able to do the installation yourself. If you are inclined to a little DIY, this could save you a little money in the process. Which is great, because the next step in transforming your kitchen is looking at the tiles. You have a lot of creative freedom here. Do you go with one color or several? Dark, bright or patterned? Here's how to navigate these choices. This year there's a surge in natural stone materials and soothing earthy tones. If you want to keep up with the times and feel good about making your impact on the world, look for tiles made with recycled materials. This will add a natural, authentic look. You can also go for handcrafted tiles, which adds character to your kitchen, but plan them ahead as they can come with a price tag. If you are budget conscious, opt for options like ceramic tiles. They mimic the look of more expensive materials. Get creative with patterns to make the statement, and if you're up for it, DIY the tiling to save on labor costs. A great trick to make your kitchen look very designer is to intentionally mix rustic and luxurious styles. Add elements like metal and glass to the design. Sleek finishes from these materials can provide contemporary and sophisticated touch. By repurposing old wood for open shelving and hunting for deals on stone-like laminates for countertops, you can add a sense of age and sophistication, but also saving money in the process. Always add personal touches that reflect your style. This could be through small accessories and kitchen artwork that tells your story. And to be honest, as long as you're expressing yourself, we're good. Now is the time to rethink the kitchen entirely. After years of breaking down walls to create large open-plan rooms, we have started appreciating the benefit of being able to close the door and escape the soundtrack of an entire house. A glazed partition can split spaces without compromising the lights or the feeling of togetherness. Use room dividers or curtains to create the illusion of separate spaces. This is a great way to section off your kitchen without the cost of building walls. But remember to keep balance. Kitchen is a place of warmth and togetherness. So here's how you can make sure that it's a great place to feel social with friends and family. Our rounded island is great for entertaining. If you are in an open kitchen plan with multiple entrance and exit points, a rounded island will draw guests in and it will make easier to socialize, and also will encourage smooth transition between spaces. A good way to create a more social environment is when you add a curved table to your existing layout. For this, maybe look for second-hand pieces that can be refinished or repurposed to fit your kitchen design. I'd love to know if you're planning a kitchen remodel. Are you planning on sticking with an open plan kitchen or with a more private space? Share your thoughts and plans in the comments and subscribe for more renovation hacks. See you next time and happy renovating!